Welcome to ITPK. Today we are going to explore how to protect PDF with password. Whether you are sharing sensitive information or simply want to add an extra layer of security to your documents, password protecting your PDFs is a simple and yet effective solution. I have a sample PDF file that I have downloaded from the internet for this example, and we will protect this PDF file with a password. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK. So let's open another tab and we want to go to the search engine, that is google.com. Here we want to type PDF password protect. Once I have typed PDF password protect, I got the first suggestion here that I love PDF. Let's go ahead and open this PDF password protection tool. Now here we need to go to select a PDF file. I have a PDF file on my desktop and this sample file I want to select. Once I have selected this PDF file, here I can type the password. So I have typed password and the password should be lower and uppercase, also numbers included, special character and at least 8 character. So let me add the special character here. Let's go ahead and click on protect PDF. Now our PDF file is ready to be downloaded. Let's go ahead and download the protected PDF, and I want to save it on desktop. Let's go ahead and save it. So here we got the protected PDF. Now for verification, let's go ahead and open protected PDF, and it's asking us to enter the password. Once we have entered the required password, let's click on open file, and we got the PDF here. That's perfect. So that's it about today's simple 2D point and quick tutorial on how to protect your PDF files with a password. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.